So we got a 4-jaw chuck that we want to put on the lathe, fresh in off Amazon, and we want to replace it with our 3-jaw chuck. Nice. Slight problem. This has 4-hole mounting, and our original 3-jaw chuck only has 3. So now we got to figure out how to drill 3 additional holes so that the easily mountable 3-jaw chuck already fits on, so that we can fit our 4-jaw. And this, by the way, this is independent. It's not a centering 4-jaw chuck, but we need to be able to mount that up on there. So stay tuned.